Hello traders, the title of the video is Mastering RSI Indicator No Confirmation Trading Signals like a professional trader. Before we continue, I have something very important I want to ask you, a big favor, alright? So at the end of this tutorial, do not go away without rating this video. So if you dislike it, please feel free to mark it down. If you like it, please feel free to give us the thumbs up. I would like to, this is very important for me for this particular video. All right, if you have forgotten, you can come back again and rate it. Okay, your rating is very important for us for this tutorial because I consider this as an essential, RSI trading video. I recommend to traders to watch the full length of this tutorial, even, all right, if you do not get used to my beautiful accent. Did I say beautiful? All right. All right. So talking about RSI indicator, no confirmation trading signal, what do I mean by that? All right, so very simple. I'm going to use one example to illustrate what is happening right here. All right, so you are driving your beautiful, Mercedes E-Class, your beautiful Mercedes E-Class. You are speeding, at 100 miles per hour in London, which you shouldn't because you have exceeded the highest speed limit in London, which is 70 miles per hour on the motorway. So you are going as fast as possible. You push your Mercedes E-Class to the highest level. Now you have decided to stop, emergency stop. You brake. So this is you in your car. You are speeding, but at this point you brake. All right, you brake. Will the car stop right here straight away after you were speeding 100 miles per hour? No, the car will not stop exactly at the braking point. All right, there is something that we call the braking distance. So you brake here, the car will not stop exactly there because of the excess speed. It will continue to go all right, continue to go up, all right, before it will stop here. The distance from the point where you brake to the point where the car stop, that's what we call the braking point. All right, have you done physics at school? All right, the braking distance, this is the braking distance. All right, the same thing is happening in the financial market, and this has something to do with the RSI indicator. The relative strength index indicator is about the speed of the price. All right, here we are. This is one example here. That's what I call no confirmation RSI trading signal. All right. So what usually take place? The price, so the RSI, as you can see here, start going up, from the oversold zone, all right, and it reaches 70 level. This is what we call overbought zone. So oversold, it reaches overbought zone. So you can see that during that time, as the speed of the price is increasing, the price is also going up. All right, you see here, price going up, RSI also going up. This is a confirmation of the momentum. So car going at a high speed, all right, and the car, you are increasing the speed of the car, and the car also is going at a higher speed, all right. So the higher the speed, the faster the car will go, yes or no? So same thing with the price action. RSI going now, we'll expect the price to continue to go up, all right. So now, when the RSI starts breaking, so to speak, if you compare the RSI going down to the car, your beautiful Mercedes E-Class, you breaking in here, the RSI start breaking here, if you put a line there, the price will not turn around straight away sometime. This is what I call the non-confirmation RSI trading signal. You want to understand clearly what is happening here. Though the RSI was declining, trader will say bearish divergence. All right, good. But price breaks above a resistance level. This is the critical thing I want you to understand here. So RSI start pulling back. At the point where the price is at a resistance level, how do I know it's a resistance level? Because why? You need to understand what's happening here. People did sell, the American electric power here, and they did sell it also here, and they did sell it here. All right, so this is a kind of a breaking point for this stock. So we are at a breaking point, and as you can see, the RSI at that point in time is also slowing down. Our expectation at this point in time is that the price will slow down. So we must have what we call a breaking distance. All right, this is what's happening here. Here it did stop straight away, come down. It did stop here, come down. Did stop here, come down. But here it continued to go up, which means we were going at a high speed, and then we start braking. The car will not stop it straight away. Our beautiful Mercedes E-Class will not stop it straight away here. We will have a braking distance. Understand what is happening here. If we were not going at a high speed and we brake here, the car may stop. If you're going like a 5 miles per hour and you start braking here, the car may stop straight away here. All right, but because our speed is quite high, now we start braking, the car will not stop straight away. It will continue to go, okay, for a while before it will stop. That's what we call the braking distance. The same thing happening here. As the price hit the resistance level, the RSI start braking, so to speak, slowing down, showing a very divergence, but the price continue to go up. How do you handle that as a technical RSI trader? You will set a target. Why? Because no financial instrument will go up or down without aiming for a specific target. So for this stock, it's very good scenario here. The price was consolidating in this horizontal channel. All right. As it breaks above it, the target is this level here. We project that distance up here. So we have a target level. So if you notice, this is what we call non-confirmation RSI trading signal. If the price breaks above the prior resistance level after a consolidation, and we have RSI non-confirmation, if the price hits the next target level, we will look for an opportunity to sell. There was a first reaction already here. You can see that as the price came near that target level, professional did sell the American electric power. So the price action from here to here is what we call the non-confirmation RSI signal, because there is a divergence, a bearish divergence, while the price is continuing to rise. Similarly to the car that is going at a high speed, as we start braking here, the car will not stop. It will continue to go for a while before it will stop. The same thing is happening here for this stock. RSI start pulling back, and the price continue to go up. Though the break is set in from this point onward, we will wait for it to reach the end of the breaking distance, which is the next target level. Does it mean that we should sell? By all means, no. This is a trading setup. We will use a different time frame trading method to control it, and this is what has happened here. So if the price going down, the first target is the midpoint of that channel. That's where professional did the profit. Now it starts going up. Again, this was a trading setup. You see first reaction here. Now, if you want to sell again here, you will use the top-down trading method. If the price breaks above that level of $73.52, we will look and find a support, break above, retest, and start turning around. We'll use again a top-down trading method to buy it above the level of $73.52. At this junction, we will say to trader priority to bullish signal above the level of 73.52 and priority to bearish signal below each. Right? So this is RSI non-confirmation trading signal. It's a type of a divergent trading signal, but you want to understand clearly what is happening here is in comparison to a car that was going at a high speed. The driver start braking at this point, but the car will not stop straight away. We will have what we call a braking distance. Very often in the financial market, you may see that a financial instrument may be oscillating like this, especially in a horizontal channel, and then the price will break above it. As the price breaks above that horizontal channel, normally we should expect the momentum to increase, but as the price breaks above the resistance level, the momentum starts declining. Now, it doesn't mean we should sell. It doesn't mean that the price cannot continue to go up. We just highlight the next target level and we monitor the reaction of the price at that point in time. If we see a bearish trading setup in the vicinity of that target, we will use a top-down trading method to trade it. As I'm showing you here on this chart, all right, the example that we are giving here is very simple. It's one example when the price is going up first. The opposite is also true in the downtrend. Financial instrument is consolidating. Now it starts going down to the lower part of the consolidation. It breaks below that consolidation. It continues to go down. We will project that channel in the direction of that bearish move, and we watch the reaction of the price at that point in time. If there is an RSI, okay, no confirmation, a trading signal. For some traders, okay, this may be a bit advanced trading video. Just watch it, all right. Try to understand it, all right. Think of it, all right, and try to use a demo account to test and retest, all right, and until you master it, all right. As always, when you learn something new for the first time on YouTube, it is essential for traders, okay, to use a demo account to practice until you master it. In a financial market, there is nothing like a trading system with 100% winning rate or trading strategy with 100% winning rate, all right. There's nothing like that. As always, we use a different time frame or top-down or multiple time frame trading method to control the risk. The best approach, always know your trading setup, master it before using it. If you are not ready, do not use it, all right? So this is the end of this tutorial about mastering RSI indicator, no confirmation trading signal like a professional trader. If you have any question or suggestion, all right, put in the comment section, and in due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. For this tutorial, I would like to ask traders a big favor. Your rating is very important for us. Do not forget to rate this video. Doesn't matter if you like it. Well, good. Let us know. If you dislike it, please give us the turn down. Let us know. If you think that this is an essential tutorial, as I myself, okay, I think so, well, feel free to share with your friend on Google+, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about mastering RSI indicator, no confirmation trading signal like a professional RSI traders. Happy trading to you all and speak to you soon.